So then I will talk about my day. I normally wake up at 5 a.m. I like waking up early. I don't like getting up late. When I wake up, the first thing I do is surf the internet. Then I study language for a little while. Currently, I'm studying English. After that, I skincare before going to work. I start my work at 6 a.m. I like start working soon and finish soon. When I go to the